You can go to Costco and get every single item you need for your Thanksgiving meal. Cranberry frosted lemon drop for the ladies and I. Right? Yes. What's up, my friends? Welcome to today's video. It's going to be a Thanksgiving dinner Costco haul. I am not going overboard this year. I'm not cooking. We are hosting. How many people are we hosting? Where's my list? We are gonna have probably about 9 to 10 adults, 12 kids that are actually eating, and 15 kids total, because we've got some babies in there and some kids that aren't gonna eat much. Tazeo and I went to Costco today and we picked up a majority of the things that we're gonna need. I'm cooking very little this Thanksgiving. You can go to Costco and get every single item you need for your Thanksgiving meal, from your turkey down to dessert, creme brulee, macaroons, wines, sparkling ciders, whatever you want. They have everything there. So you could just go and have a stress-free Thanksgiving. First, I'm gonna show you all the things that I got for Thanksgiving dinner, and then I'm gonna show you some of the extras that we picked up that we couldn't resist. Right, buddy? Right? Right? Yes. All right, first thing that we got is this young brine. Let me see if I can put him down. Hold on. So everything that is in orange is my responsibility, and I'm getting the other things are assigned to different people that are coming to Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, turkey gravy, scalloped potatoes. By the way, the ones in orange are my responsibility as the host. The other ones have been claimed and assigned to some of my friends that are coming. Mac and cheese, a casserole, I forgot the name of the casserole my friend is bringing, a green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, which is like my all-time signature dish. It is absolutely delicious. I am going to be making it in a vlog soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. The kids love yams, candied yams with marshmallows on top, so we've got to do that. I'm also doing a bacon cranberry Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna do that in the air fryer, so good. A sausage stuffing. We're gonna have various appetizers, rolls, apple cider for the kids, a bunch of pies, and a bunch of wine. I also have some adult drinks. I'm gonna be making a signature drink this year for Thanksgiving dinner. I'll show you that in a minute. So let's get started. I got the turkey from there. It's a brined and seasoned young turkey. This is, I believe it was like 17 and a half, 18 pounds, and this was about 70 bucks. This is $32.70, which is $3.49 a pound, with just under 10 pounds. This Applewood smoked spiral sliced ham. It's already sliced, which I love, and it does come with a glaze, like a maple glaze for on top. So that's a winner. I was gonna make my famous cheesy scalloped potatoes this year, but we're opting out, remember? So we're doing as less cooking as possible. I'd rather have a drink and enjoy my time with my friends. Baked scalloped potatoes. These are absolutely delicious. I think I'm gonna make both of them. I'm just not quite sure yet, but I got 2 of them. I also get this roasted Brussels sprouts. They are cranberry bacon, I believe. Yes, uncured bacon and dried cranberry Brussels sprouts. That looked absolutely amazing. I planned on doing my own, but when I saw this, I was like, why not? I think it was like $13. It's a pretty good size container, and I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Then we've got some cornbread cranberry stuffing with turkey Italian sausage. Oh my goodness. Yes, please. Mashed potatoes. These are $7.50 for 2 large tubs, and honestly, they're one of the most yummy tasting mashed potatoes I've ever had. I probably will whip this up with a little bit of cream to make it extra fluffy, and butter and garlic to make it like a whipped garlic mashed potato. But these are really, really good. And turkey gravy. This is just a heat and serve turkey gravy. Easy peasy, guys. This is so easy. Cranberry sauce. This was, I think, like $8.99, and it's a good sized cranberry sauce. I also do, don't judge me, I also liked the cranberry sauce in the can. So I have a couple cans of those. I usually save those for leftovers when we have turkey and ham sandwiches. I could just slice it and put it on the sandwich with some fresh sourdough. Yum. My husband had an idea to make a video of all the leftover meals that we make with everything that's leftovers. I thought it was a great idea, so be on the lookout for that video. Okay, moving along. We did get some of these just as like an appetizer, but my friends are bringing a lot of appetizers. Okay, wait, no, that's not it, that's not it. We've got some whiskey. This was only $18.99. We've got some vodka, it was only $12.99. I plan on making like a cranberry frosted lemon drop for the ladies and I. Yes. And then of course the guys will probably have some like whiskey on the rocks, and I got a couple just to have in my wine cabinet. I'm probably not gonna break it out for Thanksgiving, but just to have. This Pinot Grigio was only $4.99. This one here was only $9.99. I'm sorry, this was on sale for $6.99. And then one of my favorites, Prosecco, was $6.99 as well. I like to have this. I'm probably gonna save this for Christmas and have mimosas with my husband on Christmas morning when the kids open their presents. Wow, it's like really bright over here. Hold on, I gotta get the baby. Are you ready for me to pick you up? Are you ready? You just want your mama, huh? Let's see if I can do this with him in my arms. Hi, friends. My little tub of love. All right, we got some extra things here just to have for the next couple of days because it's a busy next couple of days. Had to pick up a rotisserie chicken. Of course, it's so good. And then I picked up a Caesar salad so we can have like a chicken salad tonight. We've been having a lot of heavy foods lately, so I think it's good to switch it up and get something a little bit lighter. I saw this and I thought my husband and I would absolutely love this. It's the Ultimate Meat Detroit style deep dish pizza. There's 2 of them and it was only $14.99. So I have to try this. Ed was with me and he grabbed these ribeyes. I usually individually wrap these and freeze them and just pull them out for like a special dinner for hubby and I, and we split one. So this is like 4 dinners for us. And then Ed also grabbed these chicken skewers to have for like a little bit of a protein lunch for him at work. And he also grabbed these Asian style steam buns. My goodness, so good. And then the last few items we got are these chicken wings that are already, I don't want to get, there's juices, so I don't know. These chicken wings, they're already cooked. This is gonna be a good snack for the kids later. And then for Ed and I tonight, we got a slab of ribs already cooked. I picked up some pancake mix because you can feed an army with this for only $8. We like having that on hand. Pro tip, bananas and white chocolate chips in Krusty's pancake mix. Enough said. And then I got some chili lemon ruffles. Yeah, so that is it. Oh, actually one more thing. It's not food related though. 2 more things. I missed 2 more things. Oh my goodness, Tadeo. These were on sale for only $6.99. I think they were $4 off. These mini egg rolls chicken. The kids like to pop these in the air fryer for an after school snack. So good. Little hot toddies. This was only $14.99 and there's 40 of them. It is really, really cold here during the winter in Vegas. Son plays winter football. So I like to give that to him and his friends to hold like while they're practicing or in games to kind of warm themselves up. I also like to put them between Tazeo and I and put them in his hands so that he stays nice and warm while he is strapped to me during football games because it's that cold. Super, super cold. All right, that is it for this grocery haul. Let me know how you are doing Thanksgiving this year. Are you cooking up a storm from scratch? Are you doing a combination, or are you just going to Costco and like letting Costco feed your family this year so you can enjoy it? Let me know in the comments below. I will list every single item that we're gonna be making or buying this year. I mean, enjoying for our Thanksgiving meal. If you wanna get some ideas, I'll list all of them down below in the description. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see some videos and stories throughout the holiday season of us enjoying it with our family. Yeah, and baby's first Christmas videos. Yay! Oh, he's got a kiss mark. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving.